Good morning, my beautiful friend. As you guys know that we have been share with you guys how to use nature as the grounding technique. This is a way that I spend time with nature in my garden and looking for different flowers. You don't have to go into the forest if you just live in the city. You can just spend with some flower plant either in your home or outdoor. I found a lot of joy and positive feeling and bring a lot of happiness feeling when I see different beautiful flower. I really encourage for all of us to try some simple technique that you don't have to make it more complicated and enjoy the moment with the nature.